I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip.
I love colors.
Then you'll be happy to hear that Word makes available lots of colors if you know the secret to creating them. The color picker gizmo is found in many locations in Word, too many to list here, but key to all of these locations is this menu, which is pretty much the same. The top portion contains colors specific to the document theme. Then you see the standard colors here.
Like in my crayon box.
You guessed it. More colors, which is the point of this video, and then gradients, which I'll get to shortly. The theme colors are set from the Design tab. Items on this tab on the ribbon assist you in designing your document, and a theme is a collection of typefaces, styles, colors, and other stuff, which few people use. But the theme colors are set from this menu, Colors, and you see the preset variety, a smattering of palettes. Choose Customize Colors to create your own theme colors. In the Create New Theme Colors dialog box, you see text background colors, accents, a hyperlink item down here. These menus, surprise, offer the same color picker gizmo, which is why I'm covering it. Back on the Home tab, I'll use the Font Color menu thing to explore the other options. This menu is similar, if not identical, to other color picker menus that festoon Word's ribbon interface. The Automatic option, which of course is unique here to fonts, sets the font color based on the theme and style. It's not always black. For more color variety, and from any color picker menu, you choose the More Colors option. The Colors dialog box provides two palettes on tabs from which you can select a new color. The standard palette here lists a hexagon of colors from which you can choose, well, like this. Pretty. To help you make your choice, this color thingus here lets you see the current color, the one already chosen, so the font color here, and then the new color. In this case, it would be the next text or font color. On the Custom tab, you have more nerdly controls, offering features typically found in graphics arts applications. You can pick a color from here, you can set the intensity, and you can even use discrete red, green, and blue values here, or from this tiny little menu, you can choose hue, saturation, and luminosity values, if you know what that means. And the Web Colors item lets you pick colors in the HTML fashion, which I don't need to get into. When you click OK, the new color is set. You see that the new color will now show up in the Color Picker menu. Any new colors you select or choose show up here as you create them, and they stay with the document as you save, open, and find them here again. The gradient option at the bottom of the list doesn't really apply to fonts, but I'll show it here anyway. It lets you choose a gradient or multiple colors with different shading steps between them. These items typically apply to a filled object, such as a shape, so I'm going to venture on over to the Insert tab, Illustrations group, Shapes menu, and the boring rectangle. Drag to draw in your document. The color chosen, as well as those colors shown in the Shape Styles group up here, these are all based on the document theme, as was shown earlier. I'm going to choose the Shape Fill item, and there's our old friend, the color picker, along with any new colors that have been chosen. The menu has a few items here in addition to gradient, and this is specific to shapes. But anyway, I'm going to choose gradient just to show what it does, and I'm going to set a gradient. To customize this appearance further, choose Shape Fill once again, Gradient, More Gradients, use the Format Shape pane and this gizmo right here to set the gradient stops or the intervals between the different colors. For example, if I wanted to use a darker color right here, I can use yet another color picker to change the color. And there it is. Isn't this fun? And it has nothing to do with word processing. These are the ways you can create more colors in your document. Use this interesting gizmo, the color picker, and trust me, word processors from days of yore would never dream of such a feature, but you have it in Word. Use it when you must.